Hello friends. Ain city is 150 kilometers far away from Dubai. This city is located in the border between Oman and UAE. The mountain range is considered as the border and the zoo is located at the foothills of this mountain. The zoo in this city is the oldest one among all the zoos in the UAE. It is also the largest man-made safari in the entire world. It is the best place for family and children entertainment. Ain is an emirate which is part of 7 emirates in the UAE. There are 3 places to be seen in Ain Emirate: Ain Park, Zoo and a hill resort. We have seen Ain Park and now we are heading for the zoo. I had made a separate video on Ain Park. If you have not seen it, you can watch it in my previous video. This video was shot around 20 years ago. During that time, the entry fee for the zoo was only 2 dirhams, which is very surprising. I have never seen such a low price as an entry fee for any entertainment place. Also, there is no fee for the toy train to see around the zoo. It is absolutely free. What else one can expect more than this kind of service? Nowhere else in the world.
Hello, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. Please drop your comments and suggestions. Thank you.
As you can see from the video, the toy train safari is only the attraction and the service to that place. If you watch latest videos on YouTube, you can observe that the zoo is totally transformed and many attractions and services are available now.